No great graphics. I am no editor. My voice is not charismatic. Who cares? I am no radio jockey. Videos are boring? Of course they are, since I am boring. I am a boring trader. All I have is a great bank account and knowledge. Right now, I am ready to share my knowledge. That's it. Welcome to Simple Forex, and the chart that you're looking at is Bitcoin chart. Okay, I know you guys know that I start from 5-minute chart and then go up, but here you can see the daily chart because this is the best chart to analyze Bitcoin currently. Even weekly chart is also helpful. Okay, but like I want you, this is the first video. I think I have made another several videos about it in another platform, but in this platform this is the first video, I think. Okay, so I want you to note down this point. Again, one thing that I have to tell you, and I want you guys to note it down very clearly. Bitcoin, see, every asset behave differently. Somebody asked me, analyzing and trading are the same thing. No, they are not. Analyzing is without any kind of psychology and trading is with psychology. Trading is 20 times more difficult than analyzing. Analyzing, any Tom, Dick and Harry can do. Yes, what I'm doing, you can do also. Trading is difficult, and since I am a trader and I have been trading for a very long time, that's why I can tell you the scenarios that can come in the future. For example, let's see, if you see this chart, you are seeing this chart where you can see the upside and then kind of a sideways movement. What do I see? I see almost two-thirds of a head and shoulder pattern. Another shoulder has to be brought, but it has not come yet, right? This is the neck. Anyways, what I was telling you is that in Bitcoin there are no support and resistance. Now I know nobody has told you this and you might think I am an idiot, but no sir, I am not an idiot. I have a bank account that says different. But what I'm telling you, I'm not saying that there is no. See, in any other asset, there are supports and resistance. There are clear support and resistance. But in Bitcoin, there is a zone of support and resistance. For example, this is not the support. Yeah, it looks like that, but actually, this whole zone is support. This whole zone is support. This this whole zone is support. Okay, truth is sometimes zone of support is almost 1000 points. So you understand, there are zones of support and zones of resistance in Bitcoin. Now I will not waste your time, and since Europe is about to open, I also have to take care of my trade, so we'll give it fast version. What do I see in daily chart? In daily chart I see two different ranges. One range that was broken October 2024, right? That is this range. You can see this range started from 14,000 to 73,000 and it was broken last October. And then I see another range from this 72 to 75 region up till 125 region. Okay, and in this whole thing there is a small range here that was from 90,000, 97,000, sorry, 90,000 to 125,000, 90,000 to 125,000, 90,000, 125,000. So different, just like different zones of support, different zones of resistance, there is this range bound zones. And if I have to tell you what should I do right now, see, if your horizon is let's say 4 5 days, 6 days, so just wait till RSI reaches 30. It will be, chart will be somewhere here around 74 and then buy. Or if you want, you can just take a trade of buy with the immediate resistance of 79,000. That is what you can do. Your target, your target should be around immediate resistance, that is 92,000 to 99,000. है ना? But this is how you trade. Actually, the easiest instrument to trade right now is Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin gives you immediate movements, fast movements, but if you're looking at the chart 24/7, it will always give you good opportunities. I know this because almost 5 days I don't trade. I don't trade Bitcoin on weekdays, but I trade Bitcoin on weekends. And on weekends, I almost make 60-70% of the amount that I make in 5 days. And on weekends, only instrument that I trade is Bitcoin. So, it always gives you opportunity one time. Another thing that people will say that in when I was analyzing Euro USD, when I was analyzing gold today, I put a lot of emphasis on the news. So why I'm not doing this here? See, Bitcoin doesn't care about your news until and unless that news is about the Bitcoin. So that is the another great thing with Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin doesn't have overheads, right? It does not have strings that goes beyond its domain. Anyways, this these are the interesting time we live in. If you get somewhere around this, see, if you're lucky enough and if you reach somewhere around this 74,000 point, then I want you to take a trade, a great trade. Okay, support should be around 72 to 74 zone, right? As I told you, there are zones in Bitcoin. So take a support of 72 to 73 zone and then keep this thing. I think you can make almost 20 to 30% in, let's say, 2 or 3 months. This is one of the safest bet I can tell you. But in case it breaks 72, then we are talking about different thing. Then we are talking about that, all of a sudden Bitcoin is bearish. Okay. And right now I don't see that happening. If that happens, I'll tell you. Okay, guys, if you have any question, please leave it on comment. Take care of yourself. See, your losses and profits are part of the game. Do not take them out on your family. All they deserve is your love. Right? Your money is your money. Take care.